I have created my very own personal AI trading assistant by connecting Claude to TradingView. And today I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same, how you can set this up, and then how you can use it to its full potential and take it one step further to create a completely autonomous AI trading bot. So let's dive straight into it. Basically, Trades Don't Lie posted this article on Twitter that he had created his own Tradingview MCP. I will link this article down below so you can check it out for yourself if you want to. But here he covers everything about how this works and what it actually is and what it does. And then he links to his GitHub, which has over 1,600 stars at the moment. So here it is, Tradingview MCP Bridge, personal AI assistant for your TradingView desktop charts. Connects Claude Code to your locally running TradingView app via Chrome DevTools protocol for AI-assisted chart analysis, PineScript development, and workflow automation. Now, it does require a valid TradingView subscription, and you also need to download the TradingView desktop app on your computer. And naturally, you need Claude Code with some sort of Claude subscription. If you don't know how to use Claude Code, we do have a complete AI Impact School community with a complete Claude Code course, which will teach you everything that you need to know. So you can check that out down below if you want to learn more about it. But the prerequisites for this to work is that you need the TradingView desktop app, you need a Node.js 18+, you need Claude Code, and you need a computer like macOS, Windows, or Linux. If you don't have Node.js, just go to nodejs.org. It's completely free and download the newest version and you should be good to go. And then on the GitHub page, it tells you exactly how to install it. So you have this quick install option or you can install it manually, but I'm going to use the quick one. That is the easiest one. So I'm just going to copy this entire message. Then I will head over to Claude Code in the Claude desktop app, but you can also do this in Claude Code within Visual Studio Code or directly in your terminal, etc. But for this, I think it's easiest to just use the desktop app. I will then just create a new folder for this one. Let's just say TradingView Test 1. Then I will open that folder. I will then just copy paste that message into Claude. I will put Claude in plan mode so that it actually researches this GitHub page and makes a complete plan for the best way to install it before it actually goes ahead and does it. And I will then click enter. Obviously, you have to trust this workspace. So Claude will then get to work. It will actually web fetch this GitHub page to read all the instructions of how to actually install it. It says, good, I have all the info needed. Let me write a plan. And then it will show you this. So it has now created the full plan. These are the steps. Basically, it will clone the repo, install all the dependencies, update the MCP config, and then launch TradingView with the bug port, as well as verify the connection. So as long as this sounds good, you can basically just click approve Claude's plan and start coding, and it will then go ahead and install it for you. You might need to approve or allow a few things in the meantime, but Claude will basically do all the work for you. And there you go. It basically said everything is set up. However, you'll need to restart Claude Code or run npc to reload for the TradingView MCP server to be picked up from the updated mcp.json. Once restarted, the TV health check will be available, so I will run that when I reopen the app. Here's a summary of what it did. It actually opened TradingView by itself as well, which is really cool. But let me now just restart the app and then run the health check to see if everything is working properly. So I'm now closed and opened the app back up. So I will now just do the TV health check message. Now you may run into some issues when you first try to install this, like right now, it says the TradingView MCP tools aren't showing up in my available tools yet. Let me troubleshoot, I'll verify the server can start and check for issues. So Claude is amazing at troubleshooting. So if you just go back and forth with Claude, it should eventually be able to fix any issues that you may run into. All right, so I did again run into quite a few issues, but thankfully just going back and forth with Claude enough times, it did eventually work out. You just have to try different things. Told me to keep closing the app and reopening it and running the health check. I just said that I'd try that 3 times. There must be a different issue. And eventually it did work. And now that it's finally installed, here comes the fun part. I can now, for example, say open Ethereum to USDT on the 15-minute chart. Just tell that to Claude. And you have my TradingView app on the right hand side. You just have to allow this. And you can see that it now automatically opens that chart in Claude. So I removed the RSI. If I now do add RSI, you can see that it automatically adds it in the TradingView app. So the cool thing with this MCP integration is that it's not just looking at a picture of the chart, it's looking at the actual code behind the chart and getting live updates to the second. So it always knows the real-time prices. It can change anything within the chart. You can even say stuff like research the top 3 traders on Twitter and add the metrics they find the most important. And it will then go and web fetch Twitter to find 3 of the most popular traders and actually add all the metrics and analytics that they normally use on their charts and add it to your chart. So you can see that it now changes the chart automatically. It found 3 of the most popular traders and it adds all of the metrics that they normally use. So it added the MACD, the OBV, which I don't even know what is. You have the RSI right here. It then gave me a summary of exactly what it added and what it did. You can also say, for example, give me a 1-week summary of ENA's price action for the previous week on my crypto watch list. Or you can say, give me a 1-week summary of my entire crypto watch list. And it will tell you exactly what your watch list has been doing. But if I try this message, let's see exactly what it does. So you can see that it opens the ENA chart and it then scans for the previous week exactly what ENA has been doing. And here we go. ENA is already on your watch list. Here's a 1-week summary. So you have the open, the high, the low, and the close, as well as the volume every single day from the past week. You have the key stats and you have the summary. ENA had a strong recovery week, rallying 16% off of the 0.0765 low. The big move came April 6th with it being up 11%. Volume peaked on April 9th. So this is super cool. It can talk directly to your TradingView. It can make changes. It can add things. It can research anything on the code level. It has real-time data on everything. So this can very easily become your own personal trading assistant. This is essentially how to set it up for yourself and how to use it on the most basic level. But this can do a lot of really cool stuff. It can give you daily, hourly updates on all of your favorite tickers and charts. As you saw, it can research and basically copy all of your favorite traders. It can give you notifications when certain metrics are hit, like as soon as it hits the 50-day moving average, you might get a message or you might want to enter a trade, etc. So just use your imagination, play around with it, because there's a lot of cool things you can do with it. And now obviously with TradingView, you can't do actual trading, but in my next video, I'm going to show you how to take this to the next level. Because if you combine this trading assistant with something like the Kraken CLI, you can actually create an autonomous AI trading bot, which I find extremely cool. Kraken is my favorite go-to exchange. It's basically the most regulated exchange. It works in both Europe and US and basically anywhere in the world. You can sign up to it down below and get a $10 welcome bonus. But another great thing with Kraken is that it's one of the only exchanges with their own agent CLI. So your agent can trade. Kraken CLI gives AI agents and developers direct access to global markets, open source, native MCP, zero dependencies. Every market, one install, you can trade crypto spot, futures, as well as normal stocks, forex, derivatives, staking, and WebSocket streaming. Zero runtime dependencies. You can also start with paper trading before you actually go live, so you can test it. It's open source and MIT licensed. Kraken is an amazing exchange, so highly recommend you to check it out. And make sure you stay tuned, because in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can set this up and actually combine these two to make a super cool AI trading bot. So if you're interested in that, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions at all, let me know down below in the comment section. You can check out our AI Impact School community and Claude Code course down below in the description. And a quick note, as I said, you might run into certain issues when installing it, but going back and forth with Claude should solve it. And there is some difference if you are on the desktop app versus in the terminal. So just tell Claude whether you're in the terminal in Visual Studio Code or in your actual terminal or on the desktop app, because there might be some differences when it comes to Claude installing this for you. But all of the links you need are down below, and you can always ask me in the comments if you run into issues, or in our AI Impact School community or in my Telegram. But with that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.